Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno11 F, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application. From here we're gonna scroll all the way down to additional settings. Swipe down again, and we're looking for backup and reset, which is the last option. Reset phone, erase all data. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. Select erase all data. Now it does give you several messages throughout letting you know that this will remove all the data from your device. So if you keep anything on your phone that you'd like to preserve, things like photos, music, data, documents, anything like that, make a copy of it before you begin. Now assuming you have already done so or you just don't want to, you can then select erase data once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. And this process will take about 2 minutes, maybe a little bit less, to finish up, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.